How to change your birthday if you're under 13 on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change your birthday if you're under 13 on Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Roblox application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you're here, tap on the more at the bottom right corner, and here tap on the settings menu, and here tap on account information. So if you're already under the 13, or if you have entered an age less than or under the 13 on Roblox, you cannot directly edit your birthday yourself after you set it. That is because of the Roblox child safety rules, but here's how you can fix it. So for that, you have to contact your Roblox support. In order to contact to Roblox support, tap on the more at the bottom right corner. From this menu, you have to tap on help and safety, then tap on help. So under your help, in the search bar, type in contact us and then search for it. Tap on the first result, contact us, and here scroll down a bit and there is a link provided as support form. Tap on support form. Now once you land on this form, here you have to enter your username, your first name. Make sure you enter your email address that is associated with your Roblox account. Confirm your email address, and under that there is a drop down for issue details. You have to tap on this drop down, and here you have to select your device. Under that there is a drop down for help category. Tap on it, and here tap on age-based settings and account with parental privilege. Here tap on help subcategory type, and here now select change child age. And in the description box, you have to describe about your issue. You can say that you accidentally entered the wrong birthday when creating your account. So could you please help me update my birthday? So type in your issue on this text box. Once you're done, tap on submit or tap on continue. Then once your request has been submitted to Roblox support will reply you back within 1 to 3 days, and you have to check your email where you will get an instructions or the confirmation in order to change your age. And make sure you follow the instructions as provided. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.